You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Word pronunciation. Let's break down how to pronounce this word from anatomy. If you want to learn more confusing words from medicine, stay tuned. Pronounced as English pronunciation. Lemniscus, the medial, generally it's the medial. Lemniscus, how to pronounce. Lemniscus, English pronunciation, lemniscus. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.